I just purchased the Fantik E1 Next Workstation. It has a whole bunch of all of these screws. I got it off Amazon. We'll have a link down below if you want to click that. But how it works is there's just a whole bunch of cool things because we do a lot of work in here and we don't have the right tools. So I ended up saying, let's get a toolbox. These are micro tools. He's got like a little worksheet here, which is very interesting. So you can be able to work and like measure things, I guess. And then when you press this button on the side, it opens up. This is all plastic covered. We've got some plastic tools here for opening boxes, edges, things like that, whatever you need. See if this comes off. Look at that. There we go. Boom. It's all logo, color. Looks beautiful, stunning. We've got the screwdriver extender here if you need it to get into spaces where you actually need a little bit of bend. We've got pliers, all these unique tools in this position right here. And then on this side is where we have all these screwdriver heads. You can open up the Fantik this way, and there's actually foam here to protect them. There are so many options. So now we will never ever have the issue of not having the right screw. They should be in here. You've got torque, Phillips, everything that you can think of for small screwdriver sizes, which I'm actually excited about. We've got little guitar pings right here to open up certain stuff. And over here, we've got places to put other things, magnetized stuff go in there. This just makes it super simple to get work done and not have to worry about it. It's all in one case, which I do like. And if you're like, I need XYZ, it's all in here. I've got a nice little like laptop covered magnetic piece. It's then a workstation so you can actually do your work on this device and not have to worry about scratching other things. Very, very intelligently designed. You're doing some really cool stuff. I'm gonna keep testing out. If you want to send me stuff, let me know. I like your stuff a lot. Click the link in the channel, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.